Now start removing the factory radio. First, remove the plastic trim panel of the center console. Take out the mounting screws. Take out the A or C control panel. Take out the factory radio's mounting screws. Pull out the factory radio. Take out the factory air vents. Removal is complete. Our radio is equipped with 3 types of wiring harnesses. If your center console looks like the image, choose the base mid-spec wiring harness. If your factory radio looks like this, choose the high-spec wiring harness. This is the radio and its rear side for the top-spec vehicle model. Use the top-spec wiring harness for this model. Now we'll show how to remove and install the radio plastic trim bezel. Place the radio like the image. Push up hard to take off the plastic bezel. Reverse the above procedure to install it. Now we'll go over each wiring harness. This is the 4 grams antenna. This is the GPS antenna. This is the radio antenna. This is the reverse camera signal cable. These 2 are the USB cables. This is the CAN bus power cable. This is the fan power cable. This is the 20-pin RCA main harness. This is the amplifier control cable. This is the 16-pin radio power cable. This is the panel connection cable. It should be connected in this manner. Install the hazard warning light in the red boxed area shown. This is the audio output cable. Connect these two plugs to the FL out and FR out ports. Connect all cables. Then fit the radio back into the car. Installation is complete. For any unresolved issues, reach out to us through social media.